Welcome to the final week of the Built by Linda Strength Program. We are in week 5. The name of the game is choose a weight that you can do the exercises for the time frame of 1 minute where you are getting close to failure or you reach that muscular failure point. Once you finish this week, do 5 days, take 2 days off, you can go back to week 1 and try the first progression to make it more challenging. Do that week by week. You get to 10 weeks, you can go back again, try another progression that makes it more challenging. That way you can get 15, 20, 25 weeks of strength training with minimal equipment. With that, today, all we'll need is a set of dumbbells. I got 2 sets for myself and something that will allow you to elevate your heels. I have a Pilates or a yoga block that I'll be using, but you can use something like a book as long as it's stable and you can get your heels up onto it. With that, we're going to get into it. The first muscles we will target are our quads as well as our glutes using our block. When it comes to the squat, you're trying to get as low as possible to get a full range of motion, a full amount of lengthening of your quads as well as your butt, your glutes. To do that, you need to get low. A lot of people have trouble getting low in their squat. That has nothing to do with the strength of their legs. Oftentimes it's 1, ankle mobility, and 2, just the length of your femur. It's so long that it's really difficult to get down into a squat without falling backwards. The block or elevating your heels fixes that. So coming onto your block, we're going to have our weights by our side. And squat as low as you can. And then coming up. When you're coming down, you want to come down with control. On your way up, you can be as athletic as you'd like. Okay, with that, we're here for 1 minute. We're going in 3, 2, 1. You're in it. Change. The next movement we have here is the shoulder press. Here's how we're going to do it. You're going to bring your weights down so that they tap your shoulders if you can. This is as full range of motion we can get. So the starting position is in here, down here. From here, push up, low on the way down, control, push up. Okay, we're here for 1 minute. We're going in 3, 2, 1. You're in it. For us to stabilize, especially the heavier you go with these weights, make sure you're challenging yourself. Oftentimes we're stronger than we think we are. Change. Okay, we're going back to that squat. Get ready. Round 2, final round. We're going in 3, 2, 1. You're in it. To progress your squat, I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this. One way, if you want to progress the strength in your legs, here's what you can try. Heels on. You're going to give me a double pulse at the bottom, give this more time in the stretch. So we're going to come down, pulse, come up, down, give me a pulse, come up. If you don't necessarily want to increase the strength in your legs, you're using the same amount of weight, but you want to increase the strength in your whole body, bring your weights up, push them together, elbows a little up. You're going to give me goblet, heel elevated squats. Give those a try. Change back to that shoulder press. We're going in 3, 2, 1. You're in it. To progress your shoulder press, give this one a try. Starting the same position, but just go to 90. Come back down. Just go to 90. Come back down. Spending more time in that stretch position. Trust me, those get challenging. Give those a try. Change. Okay, the next move we have here is going to work our chest muscles. You can do this on the wall. You can progress it to a table, like a counter or a coffee table before coming to the ground. I will be trying to do them from the ground. Once I feel from my toes, I'll go down to my knees. We're going to do a wide push-up. So you're going to put your arms as wide as you can where you still feel comfortable pushing off a surface. So if you are using a wall, wide, feet back, and push. I'm coming down to the floor to do these. So we're gonna go in 3, 2, 1. You're in it. Trying to tap your chest to the floor each time. Not about speed here. It's not about how many repetitions you can get. It's about, first and foremost, form. Change. The next move we've got is the deadlift. You're going to push your hips back, let your weight glide along your legs. When you get to the bottom, squeeze your glutes, push your hips forward, trying not to let your back round, keeping that chest proud. Imagine having your logo on that chest. You should be able to be showing your logo to someone standing in front of you. Okay, we're going to get into it. We're going in 3, 2, 1. You're in it. So you want to make sure you're pushing your butt to the back of the room. Don't let your chest collapse. You don't want this, which I see a lot. slight bend in those knees is fine. Or you can push your knees back, get a little extra stretch there. Change. Okay, last one before we repeat those last three. We've got the pullover for the back. Gonna work these lat muscles here, as well as chest. So for this one, you can grab one weight or two. You're going to try to keep a slight bend in your arms to protect your elbows, your tendons there. You're gonna reach as far back as you can if you can. Tap the ground, come back up, just to the point that you no longer feel tension, which is for me here. We're coming down. As you fatigue, you can come all the way for a little break before coming down. It's totally fine if your back peels off of your mat here. Okay, set it up. We're going in 3, 2, 1. You're in it. Change. All right. One more time through those last three. And we done, baby. Okay. We're going in 3, 2, 1. Wide push up. If you want to progress any of your push-ups, including your wide push-ups, try elevating your heels on a step or a chair. I have a chair available, so that's how I'll demo it. Legs come up, strong position with your body. Still trying to tap chest to the floor. Give those a try. Change. Oh, that was good. The deadlift is next. We're going in 3, 2, 1. Progress your deadlift. What you can try doing is putting one of your feet on its toes. It's just there to keep you stable. You want 90% of your weight in that other leg. Now you've effectively doubled the weight for each glute and hamstring. Give that a try. Alternatively, you can put one of the weights down. You're gonna want something stable like a chair in front of you. I'm gonna use this ledge on my wall. And you're going to kick back one of your legs. High as you can, deep stretch, then come up. Give that progression a try as well. Change. Last one, the pullover. We're going in 3, 2, 1. 5. progressive pullover. If you have something that can elevate you off the ground, a bench is best. I'm going to use my step to demonstrate and allow you to get a little bit extra range of motion. So coming down, finding a comfortable spot from here. Extend. This time you go further and then up and extend. And give that one a try. Change. There you have it. Week 5 is done. Give that a try. Start over, make some progressions, and see how strong you get. I'll see you in the next one.